In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize the sold out badge on the product page in Shopify for desktop or mobile. Let's start by opening your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into the correct store where you want to make these changes. From your main admin dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This will expand a few more options underneath. From there, click on Themes. This is where you manage how your store looks and feels. On the Themes page, locate your current live theme, the one that's marked as your active theme. Next to it, you'll see a button or menu where you can choose to customize or edit the theme. Click on the option that allows you to edit your theme in the Online Store editor. Once the Online Store editor loads, look at the top navigation area of the editor window. There's usually a drop-down menu that lets you switch between different page types. Click that drop-down, then select Products, and from there, choose Default Product. This will load the standard product page layout that your customers see. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a list of sections and blocks for this product page. Look for the section that controls your product information, often called Product Information or something similar, and click on it to open its settings. Inside this section, scroll down that left-hand panel until you find an option labeled Custom CSS or a similar custom code area. Click it to reveal a text box where you can paste CSS code. Now, paste the same CSS code that I'm showing on the screen into that box. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time to clearly see and copy the code. This code targets the sold out badge and controls things like font size, line height, and padding. Within the code, you'll notice numbers after properties such as font size, line height, and padding. These are the values you can adjust. Increase the numbers to make the text bigger or the padding wider, and decrease them to make everything smaller and tighter. Make small changes at a time so you can clearly see the difference. While you tweak these numbers, keep an eye on the live preview on the right side of the editor. This preview updates as you edit, so you can immediately see how your sold out badge looks on the product page for both desktop and, if you switch the view, mobile. Once you're happy with how the badge looks and everything feels balanced and readable, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This will apply your new sold out badge size to your live store.